Breast cancer is one of the most terrible and devastating of all diseases. It affects men, but of course primarily women in middle, young, and older ages. It not only threatens their life, it's deforming in its treatments at times, it's emotionally very, very difficult to handle. It affects them, their entire family. So what can you do to prevent breast cancer? Lung cancer, you don't smoke. Colon cancer, periodic colonoscopies are very, very effective. Skin cancer, use sunblock. But ask your family doctor, your gynecologist, what can I do to prevent breast cancer? The answer generally is not very much. Oh, you can do some of the, usual type of living the healthy lifestyle, avoiding certain kind of fatty foods, things like that, but none of these are really, really effective. However, in the world of nutrition and biochemistry, there are actually some very, very excellent and effective preventive strategies, which I'd like to talk to you about now. In the first place, there are certain clinical tests of hormone breakdown products, estrogen products particularly, which are strongly associated with the presence of breast cancer. These can be measured by routine laboratory procedures, and they give us some idea of the different proportions and ratios of different type of estrogen products, which are very, very good at predicting a woman who might be vulnerable to breast cancer. The really good news is that not only does this tell us who is vulnerable, but there are very excellent nutritional ways of correcting these type of things so as to remove the chances of getting breast cancer. In addition, we know that breast cancer, like all other cancers, are associated with various toxic products that our body becomes exposed to. Pollutants, chemicals, heavy metals. These are all strongly associated with all types of cancer. These can be tested for, and these can be removed, thereby removing the chances not only of getting breast cancer, but of all types of cancers, heart disease, and other inflammatory conditions. This is part of the checkup that I do at my office, Advanced Medicine of Mount Kisco. I call it a preventive cancer checkup, which I think is a very wonderful idea and should be done universally for people who are concerned about it. So, if you have any real concerns, and I'm sure you do, about the possibility of getting breast cancer, if you have a family history of it, please give my office a call. I'd love to discuss with you these and many other effective ways of actually preventing the disease. And if unfortunately you have early signs of it, there are all forms of alternative cancer treatments which can just help to preserve your life. Thank you.